What we have here is a beach color study, so I'm testing out colors to do a beach scene. Here's how I started, with a black background. I've mixed white and floetrol and silicone together for the white that I'm going to pull. So I've placed that on the edge. Then I'm using ultramarine blue. And metallic purple. Sort of a sky blue. I'm also going to use copper as sort of the beach sand element, and I'll place it right in the edge where the coast is and some in the water because some sand gets in with the ocean when it's tossed around. And then with a wet paper towel, just pull. Gotten a little bit dirty with maybe over pulling with the same paper towel. You want to use a fresh, clean one each time. So I'm going to place another stripe of the white that has silicone mixed in and pull it, and that looks good. It really has that water feel. So I think that works. So with these very few colors, I'm going to attempt a beach scene with a nice, really nice dramatic wave.